The gay rights group suffered a major blow after the High Court declined to quash sections 162 and 165 of the Penal Code, saying no evidence suggests that their rights had been violated.
Not satisfied that the petitioner's attack on the constitutional validity of sections 162 and 165 of the Penal Code is sustainable. We find that the impugned sections are not unconstitutional. Accordingly, the consolidated petitions have no merit. We hereby decline the relief sought and dismiss the consolidated petitions.
In dismissing the petition, Justices Roselyn Aburili, Chacha, Mwita and John Mativo said allowing the petition will open doors for same-sex unions in the country.
We cannot read Articles 28 and 31 of the Constitution in isolation from Article 45, Sub-Article 2. Differently put, unless Article 45, Sub-Article 2 of the Constitution is amended to recognize same-sex unions, we find it difficult to agree with the petitioner's argument that we can safely nullify the impugned provisions whose effect would be to open the door for same-sex unions and without further violating Article 159, Sub-Article 2E of the Constitution, which enjoins this court to protect and promote the purposes and principles of the Constitution.
In the petition by Eric Gitari, the gay rights group had argued that it was illegal for the state to regulate matters of intimacy, arguing that sections 162 and 165 of the Penal Code are discriminatory and contravene various provisions of the Constitution, such as right to equality, freedom from discrimination, human dignity, freedom and security of the person, and the right to privacy. However, the argument was challenged by religious groups who argued that such matters should be guided by the country's values. Meanwhile, the Employment and Labor Relations Court has suspended the 7-day strike notice issued by the Kenya Union of Nurses, Kenya National Union of Clinical Officers, Kenya National Union of Medical Laboratory in Kirinyaga County, pending the hearing and determination of an application filed by Kirinyaga County Government. The court directed Kirinyaga County Government to serve the orders to the unions ahead of the hearing of the application on 29th May 2019. The unions had issued the strike notice citing poor conditions at facilities, including Kerugoya Hospital. Elsewhere, 6 top officers of Kilifi County Government have been charged with corruption involving unlawful procurement of a speedboat valued at 15 million shillings. The suspects who appeared before Malindi Chief Magistrate Dr. Julio Seko included Patient Simba, John Mwangi Gashuri, Sophie Nyamanyi Mwandawiro, Silas Mohamed Chuba, Julius Munga, and Sarah Musimi denied 9 counts of anti-corruption and economic crimes and were released on a cash bail of 300,000 shillings each. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.